Welcome to Chisholm Prism. My name is Taylor Chisholm, and today in this video it's going to be a Halloween special. So come get ready with me. I'm going to put on my costume. I'm going as Elon Musk. JK. I have a whole other idea I'm going to do, but I'm going to get ready and take you guys along on my Halloween experience here in Chicago, some of the events that I'm going to go to. So let's get ready. Okay, so I have about an hour. I'm running a little bit behind, but this is going to be incorporated to the costume if that makes you guess at all what I'm going to be. But let's get this together. Okay guys, so the base face is on. Let me put on these lashes, some lipstick, do my hair a little bit, and I'm gonna come back to you and kind of run down what are we even doing today. So let's go. Bam! Okay guys, so I've put on my lipstick, eyelashes are done. Let me get a good photo of Let me get a good view of this outfit. We're going with long sleeve velvet dress and the skirt. Has anyone guessed what I'm trying to be yet? But the most important part of this whole look that I gotta figure out are these. And in case you're wondering, I've been drinking some rum and Coke, and then also this lip color if you girlies out there want to know. I got this up at Amazon. Onto this. These, baby. These are my fangs because I want to be a vampire tonight. I feel like a vampire is like an easy go-to. You know, you don't gotta put too much effort in if you don't want to. I gotta figure this out though. I'll be back. Let me get some hot water. Okay, let's do this thing. I got some hot water. Apparently I gotta put a couple of these drops in the water and like compress it into the teeth, and it's gonna mold to these babies there. So let's see. This isn't my first time doing this actually. I've been a vampire for a while. I usually that's like my go-to costume has been vampire. And I haven't done it in a couple years, so I thought, let's do it now. But hey, while I'm doing this, let me tell you guys what's up. So I'm getting dressed now to go to this DJ kind of concert event from an old college friend, acquaintance kind of thing. And it should be kind of fun. A couple of my friends are going, my sister. We're gonna tag along and see this performance. And I was thinking, for Halloween in Chicago, it can be a give or take, hit or miss. Like sometimes there's events that happen. It can be sometimes almost like a who you know kind of thing for things happening around for Halloween. But I always say, if you don't got a thing to go to, be the thing, be the event, have the party. I mean, for the past 2 years, I was the host for my own party at my house. Fun times. Definitely a lot of cleanup, and that's why I didn't want to do it again this year, because being a host can be draining also. Here's the first tooth. Let's... Okay, we got one. This also makes you talk with a lisp. I forgot about that. Okay, I'm probably not going to talk a crazy amount because I have the biggest lisp from these And this one keeps falling down. Let me do my hair and a couple more pieces on this. This is the look. Oh, this keeps peeling off a little bit. And I'm recording a video. Hey guys, say hello.
Oh, my one thing.
This is the squat. Yeah, we're trying to put her fang in. She's having struggles. I was also struggling.
Like, like there's this, like, what happened? Like, we
I
could
lost
create a
the
story.
thing.
Oh, you lost it.
I think that's Michael.
Yeah.
Michael Myers.
Did you know that, like, his mask is Captain Kirk painted white? Okay, I'm down to go back.
They have porta potties right here on the street for people. That's wild. No, really? As you can see, I'm out on Saturday. I was walking down Clark Street. It's also very busy on Halloween weekend. Again, I'm a vampire. I did find a bar that's a little more up north. It's less crowded. Honestly, sometimes it's not worth it to sit in the long line, wait to hear the basic music and be crowded around with a lot of people. Yeah, this is worth it.
Don't fucking touch!
Beautiful, but not costume-wise. We got some people on retainer. Fuck. Not any easier. King Jareth from.
Hi guys, so this is the last night. Well, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Sorry about the audio quality. I don't have my mic on me right now. But for the last night, some of my friends were gonna meet up and just enjoy Halloween spirit. Yeah, me and my friends gonna get together. There's a karaoke bar that I love. I love going to. I love to sing. So we're just gonna go there. I lost my vampire teeth, so I'm no longer a vampire, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, just gonna have a fun time. Thank you guys for watching. It's very chaotic around here during Halloween, so a lot to do. If you don't see me after this, I want you to have a great Halloween, or hope you had a great Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.